Coming to America. This is Tisa with Green Organic Love, and today I have some mail call, y'all. So I ordered some seeds from Baker's Creek, and this is my very first time after seeing all of y'all order seeds and post the order time after time again, and I wasn't ready for it. So I just want to show you guys what rare seeds I got. So let's start off with this one. It is called Baker's Creek Heirloom Seeds, and it's called Chinese Multicolor Spinach. So I was really excited about this. And then we got kale scarlet, and it is a curly kale. And the reason why I chose to get this curly kale is because the kale that I'm currently growing, the curly kale that's out there, I noticed, and I did a little bit of research, that this kale is heat resistant. It is also bug resistant. For some reason, the pests do not like it. So I did a little bit of research on Baker's Creek, and I typed in heat resistant plants, and this was one of the things that came up. So kale, scarlet colored kale, curly kale is what is going to be growing on in this garden. I have been seeing Chinese pink celery for some time, and they had it in stock, so I decided to get that. I'm so excited. And this, I waited to get this Hopi black dye sunflower. So I'm about to go outside as soon as I get done recording this video and put this in the ground, because I'm very excited about it. Also, I have some lettuce. Also another thing that is heat resistant, I typed this in. I don't think I ordered this. This is a free thing, but okay. Also, I think I don't remember ordering these either, but if I did, okay. There are many mixed bell peppers. I got 2 packs of these because I was so excited. Also, where you see that? And this is 5 color Swiss chard. I don't remember ordering these either, but it was late in the midnight hour. Eggplant, Rosa Bianca. So I'm excited about this as well. I'm going to get these right into the ground, and that is going to do it for today's Baker Creek Heirloom Seed Collection that will now be a part of my garden. And I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you for all those of you who have continued to watch my videos. I appreciate you so much. And I'm going to go ahead and end this video. I just wanted to tell you how excited I am about these little